So I'll be starting off with a moisturizer. I'll be putting on 2 pumps all over my face. Don't forget the neck, so an additional 1 pump. So don't mind the red spots on my neck because I always scratch my neck. I'm done putting on my moisturizer, and next I'm going to conceal the red spots on my face or my imperfections. So this one under the eyes. For our base, I'll be using L'Oreal's Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I forgot the shade. Oh, I'm in Golden Sand. Don't forget to put some foundation on your neck. And next for our brows, I'll be using again and again the Teviant Eyebrow Duo Powder. So what I'll be doing to my brows is a soft, feathery eyebrows for this look. And I'll be filling them in. So I'm done with my brows. Next, for the eye makeup, I'll be using this Peach Squad eyeshadow palette from Squad Cosmetics. So this is my first time using this. So let's open this one. Why can't I open it? There. So this has 9 shades. So I'll be using this light pink shade all over my lids. For the outer corners of the lid, I'll be using this shade. And I'll be putting this glittery pink in the center of my eyelids for an added highlight. I'll be using this again for my lower lash line. So for our next step, I'll be putting on an eyeliner. So I'll be using Sace Lady. I hope I can nail this because I'm not that great on making winged eyeliners. So I hope I won't mess this up. P.S. I won't be filming that part. I did it! This is good. See? I did it! This is going to be challenging. Ah! Whew! Ah, I messed up! See? 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 I'm done with the eyeliner. So I kind of messed up, but looks doable. So let's get into the contour, blush. So I'll be contouring using this quad contour and blush in Spility. So I'll be lightly contouring my chipmunk cheeks. So yeah. Putting on makeup is magical. See? See? Let's hide those double chins. And don't forget your nose. I'm sliding during my nose. Now it's time for the blush. So I'll be using this EB Advanced Blush Duo in Golden Guys. So it has shimmers on it. So we're adding this pink one in the center. We're looking now. To complete this look, don't forget the nose. Highlight. Oop, oop, oop. Yeah. Oop, oop, oop. Soft girl. It's curled eyelashes. I'm done curling my lashes. Now I'll be putting on mascara. I'll be using the Hyper Curl Volume Express from Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. For the lips, I'll be using this BLK Cosmetics in Hibiscus. Using my fingers, doing this. So yeah. Let's go, fake freckles. I don't have any brown line eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, so I'll be using the Teviant again. So, yeah. Whee! Go. So, hi guys! This is the final look. I hope you liked it and enjoyed. So, if you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. So, stay awesome!